we found an interesting observer ringside. For those who may not know, just introduce yourself to our audience.
Shannon Cannon Briggs, the last American heavyweight champion, two-time heavyweight champion of the world, Mr. Let's Go Champ. Let's go, champ.
Indeed, that's become a familiar refrain. You've been, as you say, where Vladimir goes, you go.
That's right. Whatever you eat, I eat. Whatever you eat, I eat. Whatever you do, I do. Wherever you go, I go. You can't run from me, you can't hide from me. I'm ringside tonight. Let's go, champ.
But why do you feel you deserve a shot at Vladimir Klitschko?
Because you ask the people, the common people, forget just the boxing world. The boxing world is this small. The world is this big. The world want to see this fight. This is the most talked about fight, anticipated fight in boxing history for the last 15, 20 years. This is the Rumble in the Jungle. Rumble in the Jungle. But we're going to do it in the street. Let's go, champ.
Given your standing in boxing, you've been a linear heavyweight champ, you beat George Foreman, you battled Lennox Lewis, gave him a hard night. Why do you feel that you should still be a relevant contender now at this stage in your career?
Because I fought his brother with one arm for 12 rounds. I hurt my arm in the first round. Came through this side, went through that side. For 12 rounds, I fought the man with one arm. Anybody else would have quit. I stood up. I didn't even get credit for that. I laid in the hospital bed in Hamburg in pain. And I wanted vengeance, and I'm back for that.
How likely do you think your campaign to fight Vladimir Klitschko is going to be? How likely do you think the fight is?
Very successful, very likely. Why? Because I've received over 40 million views from the videos that I put together, all from my cell phone. All, I'm sorry, it's in my car, right here. All from my iPhone. This is all from my iPhone, right here, this iPhone. The first iPhone ever made, iPhone 2. Let's go, champ.
Well, listen, Shannon, you provide wonderful entertainment, and we wish you all the best in your efforts to get in the ring and challenge for that heavyweight championship again.
Thank you, brother. I'm back, man. I feel phenomenal. I'm in phenomenal shape. The people are happy. I love the people. The people love me. Can I hear y'all say, let's go, champ? Let's go, champ. Let's go, champ. Let's go, champ. Let's go, champ. You hear the people? All right, let's go, champ.
Shannon Briggs, thank you very much indeed for your time.
Thank you, brother. Thank you. Love you at home.